Hello, guys and girls. Welcome all of you to Global Coding Cohort. Today, let's solve the triangle pattern problem. Mhm. One, three, Okay, let's update the value of n because we are not able to get the show. Let's start 5, 40, 50. So this is what the shape we are trying to print. I hope all of you understood the problem statement. The reason why I'm forming the question right now is because I want to show the way how I think. Before starting the live itself, if I try to form the question, then my mind itself, the solution will be ready. That means I will be typing very quickly and you cannot understand the way how I broken down the problem and solved it. So that is why during every live session, here I start the live and finding the question so that everything is during live so that you can get an idea about how I get to how I reach the solution. For instance, I'm initializing our test case. Once after we finish this solution, we will try with different. And for today's session, there is no constraint like we have to use only this many number of loops. There is no constraint like that. So we can use any number of looping statements over here. Okay. So as I mentioned, we just want to give only odd number. Not just that. The observation that I get over here is all lines just only have those odd number of stars. That means after each line, 5, 3. It's getting 4, isn't it? Because 4. And also, if we try to print 4 over there, uh, we can actually, but for this instance, I have taken a pattern which is simple like this. Okay. So now I'm trying to print. What am I doing? Trying to do is first I'm trying to print this first half, and later I will try to print the second half. Okay. In one of our previous session, we have tried uh, another pattern, and that too with a constraint called we have to use only 2 loops. But like that, we do not have today that condition. What I observe over here is at first line we have 5 stars, second line we have 3 stars, the third line we have 1 star. That's why I wrote a loop like this. So here in this loop we get 5, 3, 1, isn't it? So in this using a nested loop, we can print the stars. This first for loop is to keep the number of lines count. Nested loop is to keep the count of number of stars in each line. Correct. There is a clear difference between usage and here and so at each iteration we get 5, 3, and 1, isn't it? So at first line we got 5 and we need to print 5 stars. So I'll give over there 5. Then there we need not focus on reverse or forward generation. Just any route will do. Just to get this exact number 531, I did a descending loop. Got it. Yeah. Also another observation that I made over here is there are 2 space in between each stars. I'm going to leave two space using this. Also, all stars are printed continuously in the same line. So I'm using future equal to double space. So it will print the stars delimited by 2 space in between. Let's see what's happening now. So all stars are printed in the same line. The reason is after I is controlling the number of line missing. So once this full j loop is finished, you have to put new print line. That makes an empty. As I directly gave 5 over here, so this is happening. So what should I do here? We have 5, 3, 1 in this I loop. So if you pass I over here, we will get it, isn't it? So we got it. But at the same time, we got the number of stars as correct. But do we get the space? No. How to make that? So what I'm going to do is just going to pass the n over here. Going to check if the number is odd or not. If j is sorry, not odd or not, uh, that means the second line, when I is 3, two stars are getting reduced. Okay. Uh, okay. I will do a calculation something like this. The empty space for the empty space. Okay. So there are two stars missing in the second line. In the third one, we find there are uh, four stars missing. Trying to find that missing equal to this line potential. First of all, let's find the missing number of stars missing equal to array is 531. First, okay, nothing is missing. 10 minus 5, nothing will be missing. Let's find and see what's happening is missing. So we get 0, 2, and 4. That means, so now we got both things right. We need to print 5 stars. The first line, there is no star missing, so we get 0 over here. Then in the second line, we have to print 3 stars, missing 2. And the last one means last one of the first half. Okay, trying to first print this first half. Then we'll reverse it later. So we correctly calculated. Now let's try to implement it. So the observation that I made over here is whenever there is two stars missing, one star at first and one star at last. So I'm going to divide this missing with uh, by 2. That means we will get 1 first equal to missing total missing. Total so divided by 2. So if j, whenever j is greater than missing value, first half percent, I'll print the star. Else, I'll be printing empty space. Now let's execute the cell and check how it's getting it. So to solve this issue, I will start n with 1, will end with 1 plus 1. I think now it will be solved. Let it be like, let it remain same like before. We'll find the return set. I first hit 5 C. But in J starts with 0 and ends with 4, isn't it? So that's why this error is happening. So let's fix it. 5 to okay. I had the issue, but let's start with 0. Or it's no problem. Let it be n top top equal to that 2. Start is 0. Top top is 2. Without mentioning that, let's give oh no, that is not the case. Not 5 but 3 we are getting plus 1 in 6 stars. Let's first Try to find the number of stars that we need. 5, 3, 1. Plus first. Let's put -1 over here. So now it's correct. Because this need the exact same value. But whereas as we are dealing with j index, this need first half -1 value for correctly working. I hope all of you understood how I take to reach the solution. So as we do not have any constraint like we have to use only two row. Already we have used two row. As we do not have any constraint today, we will just try to reverse the loop. Now I will come in the first half. We'll work on the second half and uh, starting with 0, not 0. We just need only two lines. Till this is first half. We just have only two lines for n equal to 5, isn't it? We'll try something fancy one. So these two and 5, 3, 0, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3 and 5. We have 3 and 5. Need 3 and 5. Okay, so we'll start with 3. What if with n is 7? 3, 5, 7. Okay, that's working correct for our input also. Let's proceed. 3, Without this condition, let's check how is it working. We just need only 3 and 5, isn't it? So we correctly got with just I itself, we correctly got it. Not do any further calculations over here. Okay, but still, our first half, that space that is left at that point is not there. Again, we go and need that point in the implementation. Let's now check how this is working. So this is fine. So we got our desired output over here. That was 7. To start with n. So now it's working. So 5 it's working. Okay. 9. Perfect. How about 13? Perfect. Let's check with 3. How is it perfect? Let's tweak our question to 3 because it's working, isn't it? So I hope all of you understood how this solution is reached. Make sure to hit the like, share a few words about this community to your friends and colleagues. That's it for today. We'll meet you with another question tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.